How to find LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Welcome students in 7th maths class. The least common multiple is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. Let's start. Example number 1. Find LCM of 2 and 5. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Common multiples are 10 and 20. Least common multiple is 10. This is the easy method to find LCM, but tedious for bigger numbers. So we'll see another method for finding LCM. Example number 2. Find the LCM of 60 and 48. Let's factorize. 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's consider each prime number in these multiplications. There are prime numbers 2, 3 and 5. 2 occurs maximum 4 times, 3 occurs only once and 5 occurs only once. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 240. One more example. Find the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. Now we will use the method of vertical arrangement to find the LCM. Here we have to follow the following steps to find LCM. Use the test of divisibility to find the prime number that divides all the numbers and then divide the given numbers. Repeat this process for the quotients as many times as possible. In the example, 16, 28 and 40 are divisible by 2. Therefore, we have divided by 2 and quotients we get 8, 14 and 20. Again these three numbers are divisible by 2, so we have divided and get 4, 7, 10. After this, find the number that divides at least 2 of the numbers and divide those numbers by the number you find. Here 4 and 10 are divided by 2 and we get 2, 5, but 7 will remain as it is. Stop when the only common divisor is 1. Find the product of the numbers in the left column and multiply this product by the numbers in the last row. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 560. LCM is 560. Find LCM and HCF of 18 and 30. Compare the product of the LCM and HCF with the product of given numbers. Let's factorize 18 and 30. Both are even numbers, so are divisible by 2. After dividing by 2, we get 9 and 15. 9 and 15 are divisible by 3. We get quotients 3 and 5, which are prime numbers. That is, they have common factor 1. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6 and LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 90. Now we will do HCF into LCM. 6 into 90 is equal to 540. Product of the two given numbers 18 into 30 is equal to 540. Therefore, product of the two given numbers is equal to HCF into LCM of the given numbers. Students, in this video we have seen how to find LCM of the given numbers. Also, the relation between the given numbers and their LCM and HCF. Thank you.